Cashing a check involves converting a paper check into actual cash or depositing it into your bank account. Here's how you can do it. Bank or credit union. Visit your local bank or credit union or one where you have an account. Endorse the check by signing the back. Present the check to the teller. You will typically need to provide identification like a driver's license or passport. The teller may ask if you want the cash or if you would like to deposit it into your account. If you want cash, they will give you the amount specified on the check. ATM deposit. If you have a bank account, you can use your bank's ATM. Insert your debit or ATM card. Follow the on-screen prompts to deposit the check. Some ATMs may allow you to withdraw a portion of the check's amount as cash immediately. Check cashing stores. Some retail stores and check cashing outlets offer check cashing services. They may charge a fee, typically a percentage of the check amount or a flat fee. Endorse the check and provide identification. Mobile banking app. If you have a bank account with a mobile banking app, you can often deposit checks by taking a picture of the front and back. Endorse the check and follow the app's instructions for check deposit. Prepaid debit cards. Some prepaid debit cards offer mobile check deposit features. You can use these cards to deposit checks into your prepaid account. Retailer services. Some large retail stores may cash checks, but they may also charge a fee.